Hi guys! This is final look Athena's complete uniform. Naka-shopping na si Athena guys. Ito yung kanyang shoes. Ayan. Yung kanyang socks. And school shoes. Ayan. Medyo may kamahalan ang kanyang shoes guys. Pero okay lang yun dahil matibay naman siya. Ayan. Good quality. So, excited na siyang mag-uniform bukas kasi nakuha na yung kanyang uniform. So, andito na yung kanyang uniform, guys. I-update ko bukas. Susuotin niya to bukas. Ipaplansya pa to. And then, ito yung pang-ilalim. And then, ayan. So, yan. Complete na siya. Ayan. Hi guys! This is final look Athena's complete uniform. Look at that! She's so pretty! Beautiful Athena! Do you like your uniform now? How's school?
That's cool.
School is good? You have star? Yes.